Good morning friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Doorstep Garden. Today friends, I am going to tell about the how to save your precious aglaonema plant in winter season. Because we know that after taking lots of measure in winter season, lots of plants will goes damage. So if this plant is precious for you, then how to save this aglaonema plant in winter season without having any polyhouse, because we also know that polyhouse is a big problem and it's a costly thing, and it's not possible for everyone to make polyhouse in winter season for few aglaonemas. So if you don't have any polyhouse, then how to save this aglaonema plant very easily in winter season. So friends, before start the video, I request to all of you, if you new on our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you. Friends, suppose this plant is very precious and expensive for you and you want to save this plant in winter season, but you know that you don't have any polyhouse and you would not want to waste any money for this polyhouse. So how to save this plant very easily in winter? So friends, you can see this is the only simple polythene bag. It's a simple polythene bag. Just move this pot with plant in this polythene bag. And close the open portion with rubber band. That's all. Now friends, our small and free of cost polyhouse is ready, and this will keep safe your aglaonema plant in winter season from cold wind. Only one more thing you have to do everyday basis, that at the time of morning when the full sunlight will come, then you have to open the polythene cover and keep the plant under the full sunlight, and at the time of evening again close the polythene cover. That's all. Friends, I am sure that this free of cost small polyhouse technique will keep safe your precious aglaonema plant in winter season from cold wind. So friends, hope the video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, then please give one like, and new viewers, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you friends, thank you for full watching the video. We'll meet you soon again. Thank you.